Hi guys, if you're trying to play Windrose and you're having any sort of connection error, server lag, multiplayer issue, or server not found on PC Steam, then I'll show you how to fix this problem. So the first step is you want to open up your command prompt. You want to write command prompt in the search box and you want to run it as admin. Then you want to write the following commands. The first command is ipconfig slash flushdns. Then you want to write ipconfig slash release and then ipconfig slash renew. After this is done, you want to write netsh winsock reset. Then you want to write netsh interface IPv4 reset. And then finally, you want to write netsh interface TCP reset. Then you want to press enter. If this still doesn't fix your issue, then you want to head over to your game files. You want to head over to Steam, steamapps, common, Windrose, R5, binaries, Win64. Then you want to head over to the exe file. You want to right click the properties and then head over to the compatibility tab and make sure that you run this program as an administrator. You want to press apply and then OK. If that doesn't fix your issue, then you want to make sure that your Windows time is synced properly. You want to right click on your clock over here. You want to press adjust date and time. You want to make sure that your time zone is set correctly, and then you want to make sure that this option set time automatically is turned on. Then you want to press sync now over here, and then it's going to sync Windows time for you. So after this is done, you want to make sure that you close any sort of VPN that you're using. Still, if this doesn't fix your issue, then you want to write view network connections in your search bar. You want to right click whatever Ethernet type you're using. If you're using an Ethernet, you want to right click here, head over to properties, then you want to search for IPv4 over here. You want to click properties over here. Then you want to press use following DNS server addresses. For the first address, you want to write 8888, and in that alternate, you want to write 8844. Then you want to press OK. Then you want to try the game. If that doesn't fix your issue, then you want to try another DNS. You want to write 1111 and then 1001. If that doesn't still fix your issue, then you want to open up your search bar. You want to write virus and threat protection. Then you want to press manage settings over here. Then you want to scroll to the bottom. You want to head over to exclusions. You want to press add or remove exclusions. Then you want to press add an exclusion over here. You want to click file over here. Then you want to head over to your Steam directory. Head over to Steam apps, common, then Windrose. You want to go to R5 binaries, Win64. You want to add this exe file over here, and then you want to add the other exe file also. You want to head over to the Windrose main directory and add this exe file over here. You want to add both of these exe files, and then the last step is you want to verify your game files. You want to right click on your game, head over to properties, head over to install files, and make sure that you verify the integrity of game files. So guys, that's it for the video. If this video helped you, then make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you with the next one.